So here we are on the North Sea on the Saffier 27, and Dennis is showing us a few tricks on the 27 and how to drive it very simply, which is great with these electric winches. Rowan's having his first steer, nice and light there on the wheel.
Very light.
So we're just heading back into the port, and as we can see, set up beautifully with all the lounges. Ross is demonstrating the comfort on the 27. I mean, it's a big cockpit on this 27, isn't it, Dennis? It's not that much smaller than the 33.
No, well, it's if you compare this 27 to the old 33, it's more or less the same size.
Just a bit smaller down below.
It's a bit smaller down below. You know, the new 33 Live obviously is bigger from a cockpit stand of view, and certainly inside. But you know, they both have their own plus points. You know, I'd say the 33 is a bit more major boat, a bit more, you know, a bit more of everything. This is a bit more playful, the 27.
Yeah. I cannot believe how light this is going. This is just, we're doing 8.3 knots, and it still doesn't want to round up at all. You've got full control. Just under self-tacky here, 8.4 knots. It's so light, but I have full control. I can do anything at this speed, anything at all. Surf. Woo. Code 0 up now would be surfing.
She surfs super easily.
Super easy.
Super easy. If you have an A2 on, by the time you have 15, 16, 17 knots of wind, you start gliding off the first waves.
Oh, this is exciting.
And when you have
about the cold now.
When you have a 22 knots, she's planing constantly.
Yeah. Nice.
Yeah. I can feel an order coming up.
Yeah. Thanks, Dennis. Thanks for looking after the four of us while we're here for a quick sail and a tour around the factory. And we look forward to catching up, I guess, at the next boat show.
For sure, well, I'm very happy to have you guys over. You know, it took us a while because of COVID and everything to finally meet each other. I'm very happy that it all happened. And we're going for a nice little lunch after this because it is quite chilly.
Yeah, perfect.